So this video is about the new Android bedtime tools. So what you have to do first up is download the Google Clock application from the Google Play Store, and it has been there for ages, and it is in fact the default clock application for Google Pixel phones. Just like any other clock application, it has a stopwatch, timer and an alarm too. But the latest addition to this application is the bedtime tab for you to select a consistent bedtime so you can have a better sleep. What you need to do is first up click on the Get Started button, and you'll be asked to set a regular wake up alarm by choosing the time and the days you want the alarm to ring on. You even have the option of sunrise screen, so the screen will slowly brighten before the alarm. You can even add a Google Assistant routine to do things like switching on smart lights, reading the news, etc. And then you have to set a bedtime to silence your device. It will do this process automatically. And there you go, you have your sleep times organized nicely. And you even have the additional choice to select sleep sounds. If you have YouTube Music Premium, you can use that, or you could just choose something like Waves, for example. And you could even give it calendar permission, and it would show you upcoming events in quite a similar way to the ambient display seen in Pixel phones. There you go, you can see that it has automatically set the wake up alarm right there. Thank you so much for watching. That's the end of the video, and if you found this helpful, like this video and do consider subscribing to Tech Gadgets for much more.